What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time, please be sure to smash the subscribe button, drop a comment below, and of course, as always, give it a share to spread the beauty of this wonderful Saab TurboX. Today, we're gonna finally fully restore the front suspension of this car. I have new struts in and I have a new spring in, because if you haven't been watching, the front spring on the driver's side was completely smashed in half when I got the car. So today, we are going to be reinstalling the new one on a new strut. And then, since obviously we're replacing the front driver's side, I figured we go ahead and replace the passenger side. So stay tuned, boys. Alright guys, just to kind of give you an explanation of how this works. This is the spring. It goes in onto the mount, onto the strut like this. The bottom will go into place. You'll see there's a little imprint on the bottom here for this strut to land. So that's where that sits. Okay, and then you got to go ahead, undo this bolt here. And in this order, the bump goes here. Okay. And then this stuff goes like this. I bought a new boot here just because the other one was cracked. So this goes like that. And this goes like this. And then over all of that. And of course then the spring is going to be decompressed between this and the top strut, and then it goes right onto the car. So that's how that works. Then of course once it's on, this bolt goes in through here and secures everything. Alright guys, so we officially have our strut put back together. Everything looks good. Everything's in line. So now we're going to go ahead, take off this wheel, and reinstall it. So stay tuned. Okay guys, here we go. Alright guys, so that is now hand tightened. We'll go ahead now and reassemble down over here. So this is going to be the final wrap, and then we'll tighten everything up on top, and should be good to go. Okay guys, we got it all lined up. Now we just got to do the sway bar link after I secure these bolts here. Guys, we are now secured. Gonna go ahead, reinforce the caliper here, and then we'll do the sway bar link, and she's good to go. Tighten up the top here, and that's that. guys, 17mm wrench on the inside, and it's an 18mm socket on the outside. Alright guys, let's put that wheel on and see what it looks like. Alright guys, sheet is resting finally on all fours, so let's go ahead and tighten this up top. Okay, this is the first time we're starting her up. Hopefully it starts. It's been cold out. Strong battery. Let's see what this sounds like. At this very moment is when I ordered a new bearing for the mount. Alright guys, so now that we have her back on all fours, let's go ahead and put that new window actuator in so we can close the window and have that warning light go away. Let's do it. I guess our actuator came with a new motor and everything, so won't object to that, will you? Nah. So I just plugged it came with a wire harness like this, so I plugged it in, and later when I'm done, I'll just kind of zip tie it like this, keep it out of the way. So this just goes right into the car like that, and we reinstall it the reverse. Okay guys, I had to plug it in to lower the actuator to install this. Alright, before I button this up, I'm going to zip tie these wires so they don't get in the way of the window. As you can see, everything is working. Window closes all the way, so I'm gonna unbutton this now, put this back into place. Alright, so now we will not have any more water hitting inside that car with that window crack. So be sure to like and subscribe this video if you are still watching. Thanks for all your support. As you can tell, we have a lot of work left to do on this car. So please be sure to subscribe, stay tuned, watch the rehab, because this thing is still in rough shape, but we got it back on all fours. We're gonna finish rehabbing the front suspension in the next video. So be sure to stay tuned for that. We're gonna replace the strut on the other side, and then we'll call it a completely overhauled front suspension. minus maybe a couple little things, but like the bushings and stuff, but the bushings are still in fine shape. So thanks for watching. Thanks again, guys. See you next time.